Hey guys, today we will introduce our new multicolor DTF printer, 6004 Star 4. Equipped with 4 Epson i3200 printheads, adopts advanced printhead recovery system, offers higher detail, faster turnaround times, and the ability to seamlessly print complex, multicolor designs. 12-color inks printing takes DTF technology to the next level. CMYBKLCLMLKLLKO-RGB, expanding the color gamut and improving print quality. Advanced S10i shaker oven with PLC touchscreen automatically powdering, drying and winding. Compared with ordinary 4-color DTF printing, 12-color DTF printing can more accurately reproduce a wider range of tones and colors. Make design more vivid, realistic, and visually appealing, allowing designers to unleash their creativity without restrictions. It is the first choice for professionals and businesses.